Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make Batata Harra, which is a Lebanese spiced potato. So, with that said, let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, you saw how to make this Batata Harra. So we've had this many times, especially in London where we live. There's this street called Edgware Road, where it's got a lot of Arab cuisines, a lot of Lebanese restaurants over there. So it's a crispy potato which is coated with garlic and chili, and it's got a wonderful texture to it. That's what I'm gonna say. Really yummy. I'm sure that a lot of you will love this. I really have firm conviction on that. So do go ahead and try this recipe out, and also hit the like button if you haven't already. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. If you have subscribed, or if you are going to subscribe, once you've hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications bell icon so that you are informed of each time we release a video. So with that said, catch you in the next one.